Hi everyone, here we've got ASUS ROG Phone 3 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's tap on sound and vibration. Now we have to scroll down and as you can see here we've got whole sounds section and here we can change the ringtone. We can change it for calls and this is the very first option, but also for the alarms and notifications. Let me show you how to do it using, for example, the phone ringtone. So simply tap on this option. Here we've got both SIM cards, so it means that you can divide the ringtones between them. You can set totally another ringtone for the very first one and totally another for the second. So let me pick, for example, the first one, and as you can see here we've got the full list of defaultly installed ringtones from which we can choose. What's more, we can tap on this plus icon and if you will have any compatible files, for example downloaded, they will appear right here and you will be able to choose them and set them as a ringtone. Let me get back to this list, and now in order to listen how the particular one sounds, simply tap on it. And if you're happy with your choice, just make sure that the option you'd like to apply is marked, just like here, and simply get back. As you can see, it immediately appears right here, so it means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone. Of course, the same situation will be with the alarm sound and notification sound. Here we've got the list, we can tap on this plus icon and add our own. So actually that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your ASUS ROG Phone 3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.